Let's say I am planning a trip and I want to book a hotel room. Instead of calling the hotel or waiting for someone to reply, I simply send a message on WhatsApp saying, "Hi, I want to book a room." Within just a few seconds, the AI assistant replies to me like this by mentioning the hotel name and asking me about the preferred check-in checkout date as well as the number of guests. So I replied by sending check-in date as 28th August, checkout as 25th August and the number of guests as 4. After that, it replies to me like this by recommend me the family suite. As you can see that how smartly based on my input it recommends me the room. Let's say I want to proceed with the booking, so I'll send next message as yes. In the next, you can see it share the complete details about the room, including the accommodation, capacity, amenities, room features, and even the booking price. This gives the customer all the information they need before making the decision. And it even asks, would you like to proceed with the booking for the dates you have mentioned, like a real hotel receptionist do. Let's say I don't want to proceed with the booking and I send message, I have a question. Look at this, how professionally it replies that, of course, what would you like to know? I am here to help. So I ask my question as, do you provide airport pickup from Bengaluru airport? And then you will see it respond to me like this. So not only this, the AI assistant is capable of answering almost every booking related query that your customers may have, whether they want to know about room availabilities, room types, check-in, check-out timings, airport pickup, or any other hotel related information. This AI assistant can respond instantly using your own business knowledge base. This means your customers don't have to wait for your staff to become available, and your team does not have to answer the same questions repeatedly. The biggest advantage is that your hotel can provide instant assistance 24/7, even outside business hours. This creates a better customer experience, build trust, and increase the chance of converting inquiries into confirmed booking. And that's exactly what we are going to build in today's tutorial. I'll show you step by step how to create this complete WhatsApp AI assistant using Pabbly Chatflow. Train it with your own hotel knowledge base and make it answer customer queries naturally without writing a single line of code. And the best part, you can build and test this exact AI assistant using the free trial of Pabbly Chatflow. And after using it, if you find it helpful and decide to upgrade, then don't forget to use my coupon code MEHYT during checkout to get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the step-by-step creation of this complete WhatsApp AI hotel assistant. Alright, so this is the AI assistant feature of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user of Pabbly, that is perfect. But if you are not, then go for pabbly.com/chatflow and create a free account. Once you create it, you will receive 100 free credits every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing. After doing the sign up process and selecting the application as Pabbly Chatflow, you will successfully come on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Now the first and the most important step is to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can add WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. Check the description below for the video link. On the left hand side, you will see multiple powerful features of Pabbly Chatflow. As we are creating a WhatsApp AI assistant, so I am going in this AI assistant feature. See, here you can train your AI assistant with knowledge base to answer common questions. In few minutes, you will understand how you can create an AI assistant and what is knowledge base. For creating a new AI assistant, you have to click on this plus add AI assistant button. After that, give your assistant a descriptive name. I'll enter as how hotels handle room bookings inquiry with WhatsApp AI. After that, I'm clicking on this button and see our AI assistant is created successfully. Now this right here is the starting point of creating an AI assistant, where at first you need to select the instructions type. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of instructions. I am selecting the AI agent. You can choose anyone according to your choice. As soon as you can select the instructions type here, it will automatically generate the instructions in this field. Instructions defines how the AI should behave and how AI assistant will give replies to your customers. In simple terms, these are the rules that the assistant needs to follow while giving the responses. You can also customize these instructions if you want to. Now the next one is temperature. Temperature controls the creativity level of AI responses, as lower temperature gives stable and accurate values while higher temperature gives creative and flexible responses. Here I have set the temperature to 0.5. Next you need to select the AI model provider, that I am selecting as OpenAI. After that you have to select the AI model variant. You will find out multiple types of AI model variant. Here I am selecting the GPT-4o mini. Now the next one is API key. In this field you need to enter the OpenAI API key. So for getting this API key you need to go towards your OpenAI API keys page. See, this is my OpenAI platform. Now for creating an API key you need to click on this plus create new secret key button. After that the name is an optional. You can give it if you want to. Select the project from here, provide the permission and click on this create secret key button and you will see I got the API key. Here I want you to know that for generating this API key your OpenAI account is need to be paid. Now I am copying this API key from here and pasting it in this field. After pasting the API key I am clicking on this connect button. See, the OpenAI key is saved successfully. Moving forward are the assistant settings with multiple options. See, for adding a header you need to enable this toggle and enter here. Here I am going to enter the header as Grand Horizon Hotel and Resort. I have entered the header by the same name of the hotel. See, every time when the assistant will reply, this header is going to be sent to your customers just like this. See, in each of the message the header is coming. So this is how it works. Moving forward, if you want to add any footer then you can enable this toggle and enter it here. I am not adding. After the stop keywords, the stop keywords are those words that stop the AI assistant. For example, here I have added the stop keyword as stop and the customer will send exact that keyword while communicating with my AI receptionist. Then my assistant will become stop and on that point human inputs is required to restart the conversation. After the retry attempts is defined as how many times your AI assistant will retry to give replies to your user. You can increase it till 10. And the last one is fallback message. The fallback message is the message that sends to the user if your assistant fails to reply due to some technical error such as API key problem or in connection issue. Then this fallback message is going to be sent to your customer for the better conversation. Here I have entered this fallback message, but you can customize it completely based on your own hotel or the company. Now moving forward to the most important and the crucial part of doing the setup of your AI assistant, that is knowledge source. Here you have to upload the knowledge base file. Now what is knowledge base? So knowledge base is the information bank for your AI assistant. With knowledge base, AI assistant gives business specific and accurate replies, but without knowledge base, AI assistant gives general responses. As in this tutorial, we are going to create an AI assistant specifically for the hotel room bookings. So for that I have already created one knowledge base file before. See, this is how the knowledge base file look like. It is used for hotel, resorts and much more. Here I have also mentioned the goal of the assistant as help guests check room availability, recommend suitable rooms, answer hotel related questions and much more. You also have to make sure that it contains all the information related to your business, as it plays an important role. It works like a brain for your AI assistant. For creating a knowledge base file, you can use Google Docs or any other application by the help of which you can create a PDF or the text formatted file. The file size should be less than 90 MB and the accepted format are .txt or .pdf. There is no page limit for text PDF, but if the PDF has images then it is limited to 10 pages. Now for uploading a knowledge base file, you have to click on this option, click on this add new file and upload the file from your gallery. Here I have uploaded. After that I am clicking on this button. Next I am selecting the same file from here and clicking on this insert button. So this is how easily you can upload a knowledge base file while doing the setup of your AI assistant. See, our knowledge base file is uploaded successfully. Now the next one is assistant interface. Here you can give design to your AI assistant by making changes in each of these fields. At first I am replacing the header with hotel booking AI assistant, and you can see as soon as I have make any changes in this field, it will automatically change here too. So basically this is the final look of the AI assistant that is going to be visible in front of your user. Next I am replacing the subheading with luxury stays with instant booking assistance. Also the initial message to welcome to Grand Horizon Hotel. I am here to help you find the perfect room. What can I help you today? Here I added only one initial message, but you can add two. Next one is the label that is powered by Pabbly. You can disable it from here if you want to. The footer text I am entering as booking policy and the footer link as well. See here I have fully customized this AI assistant based on my use case, means the hotel booking AI assistant. After that, the styling, here you can give style to your AI assistant by making changes in its themes, colors and shape. As it is looking good, so I'm not changing it, but you can customize it from here if you want to. After that, I'm enabling this toggle so that my assistant will become active and clicking on the save AI assistant button. So that's it. You will successfully learn how to create the AI powered WhatsApp assistant using Pabbly Chatflow. And another button is embed button. With the help of this button, you can access your AI assistant inside your websites as well. Yes, you heard right. So not only here, you can access your AI assistant anywhere. Once you click on that button, it will provide you the code of this AI assistant. You have to copy this code and paste it inside your website code, and this AI assistant is going to be appear inside your websites as well. This is the power of Pabbly Chatflow. See, after doing this setup, I am clicking on the settings option and going inside the inbox settings. Now I am going to set the assistant to all of my contacts. See, this is the inbox settings of Pabbly Chatflow, where you have to scroll down and you will see one option by the name of AI auto reply settings. You have to make sure that to enable this toggle, select the contact list from here to which you want to set the AI assistant. Also choose the AI assistant from this drop down and click on the save AI assistant button. See, the inbox settings saved successfully. So now I think you might be wondering how you can add your own contacts inside Pabbly Chatflow. So for that, you have to go in this contacts feature and click on this plus add contacts button. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can import bulk contacts inside Pabbly Chatflow. Check the description below for the video link. So now I am going to end this tutorial. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while doing the setup of this amazing WhatsApp AI assistant, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. And not only this, you can customize the same AI assistant for your own business use case as well. The steps are almost same. You need to understand the logic only. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing automated WhatsApp AI assistant for your own hotels as well. It works for you 24/7, provide instant guidance to your customers even when you are unavailable. So go and try it. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.